Cybersecurity for the people, ProfessorBlackOps. Alert, Cash App mobile app payments are being attacked by phishing emails that are trying to deceive you to click on something so they could take over your phone, your laptop, your PC, or even your iPad. These apps are Cash App, Venmo, PayPal, Zelle, Apple Pay. This phishing is susceptible to all those payment apps. So let's get at the article itself. Cash App phishing kit deployed in the wild, courtesy of 16 shops. Once again, the link will be in the description. Developer of 16 shops phishing platform has added a new component that target users for the popular Cash App mobile payment service. Deployment of the new 16 shop product started as soon as it became available, luring potential victims into providing sensitive details that will give fraudsters access to the account and the associated payment information. 16 Shop is a complex phishing kit from a developer known as Devil Scream, who set up a protection mechanism against unlicensed use and research activity. The kit is commercially available and localized in multiple languages. Until recently, it provided code and templates to steal login credentials and payment cards details for PayPal, Amazon, Apple, and American Express. Obviously, they're expanding their services to attack other payment options. Deployed immediately after release. Towards the end of February, through a new option became available in 16 Shop store with a $70 tag to target the Cash App account. The app is immediately popular with more than 10 million installations on Android and over 1.6 million rating, giving it a 4.7 out of 5 stars in the App Store. So security researchers from the company Zero Fox obtained the new app phishing kit on February 25th. We just had a day after the final compile time. So this is the 16 Shop app right there. So that shows you the Apple, Amazon, PayPal, American Express, and Cash App. It appears that fraudsters rushed to get it to deploy. And a research spotted multiple deployments within days from the 16 Shop offer Cash App phishing kit. This is a strong indication that the fraudster has plenty of customers that trust 16 Shop enough to jump at every opportunity to provide still sensitive information from widespread services. So once again, it provides to steal sensitive information from widespread services. Zero Fox said that the kit has the same base code as others. The template mimics legitimate Cash App sites' login workflow as closely as possible. Getting victims to the phishing page is done through emails and SMS messaging that alerts security issues that led to the locking of the Cash App account. So they're going to send you a fake email or fake text messages alerting that there's a security issue with your Cash App account. A click on the fraudulent links triggers a series of checks before loading the phishing page. The visitor's IP address, the user's agents, the ISP details are collected and processed to determine and associate with the automated actions, security checks, web crawlers, or potential victims. The Devil defense against the bot indexing activities are presenting in the Cash App phishing kit as in the other 16 shops. The images below show how the PHP calls the anti-bot service, which provides blocking controls for the bots and web service. So these are potential services that can actually block the phishing attack. Identity confirmation pretext. If the victim takes the bait and provides the email address only to see a security notification about unusual activity to lead to a locking of the account. To gain access, the victim has to provide sensitive details to confirm the identity. This includes the following: the Cash App PIN, email address, full name and address, social security number, payment card details, and identification document, state ID, and driver's license. The 16-shop phishing platforms appeal to low-skilled criminals, cyber criminals, looking for an easy and quick way to collect sensitive accounts, which they can sell on the underground forum. They get to configure the kit straight from the store with the parameters for the phishing URL, defense against the security scans, and where to receive the collective data. So once again, this is for low-skilled cyber criminals, aka we call those script kiddies. So this is easy for those guys to operate. OPSEC fails. Details about the identity of developers have been published in the past based on the online trails. They all point to Indonesian named Rizwan Nur Sapur, who has a history of defacing websites, developing other phishing kits, and releasing hacking tools. An error from the author of the Cash App phishing kits seems to confirm that the same name. Zero Fox Research discovered after studying the code, they found that when the alert about unusual account activity pops up, the email address to the developer is present, but it's hidden behind the dialogue. Researchers looked out for the following that trails of offset mistakes. The 16 developer made and discovered that he won a website design competition in 2017. They concluded Rizwan is either very good at inventing and maintaining a fake identity, or he does a bad job at protecting his real one. A look at Rizwan's social media activity reveals that he's like to display his wealth to the world and also post details about upcoming updates and new kits. In the image below, he shows the development of the 16-shop American Express kit. So that's him developing it. That's him showing a PHP code. So obviously the authorities are kind of on his tail. So that's basically it. Rizwan is developing script kiddies to attack phishing emails, which would actually attack your Cash App, your American Express, Zelle, Venmo, or any other that. Once again, cybersecurity for the people. Please subscribe, Professor Black Ops. Thank you.